Hello and welcome to my video. Today we are going to simplify the following expression with several nested radicals. Now if you want to do it yourself, please pause the video right here, and for the rest, there are a couple of ways we can deal with nested radicals, but here I am going to use the denesting formula that can be applied to the nested radicals in this form. Square root of a plus b plus 2 times square root of ab. If you take a look inside the outer radical, you can easily see that a is square of square root of a and b is square of square root of b, and the remaining term is 2 times square root of a times square root of b. So this is basically square root of a plus square root of b squared. So if we cancel out this radical sign with this 2 here, we simply obtain square root of a plus square root of b. And this is the formula that I am going to use. Actually, I've already made a full-length video about using this denesting formula with several examples. So if you want to check that video, please check the link at the top right corner or in the description. Now, in order to apply this formula, the numbers in front of the inner radicals must be 2. However, we have a 4 here, so let us change those into 2. We can do that by splitting this 4 into 2 times 2 and send one of these 2's inside the inner radicals. So this term becomes 2 times square root of 2 squared times 3, and the same goes for the rest. So we have 7 plus 2 square root of 12 minus 8 plus 2 square root of 12 square root of 24 and square root of 24. Now we apply the denesting formula to each nested radical. For the first term, we can see that the 7 is 4 plus 3 and 12 is 4 times 3. So the inner part is basically square root of 4 plus square root of 3 squared. So we have square root of 4 plus square root of 3, which is 2 plus square root of 3. And for the second term, this time, note that 8 is 6 plus 2 and 12 is 6 times 2. So now we have square root of 6 plus square root of 2 squared. So we have square root of 6 plus square root of 2. For the third one, 10 is 6 plus 4 and 24 is 6 times 4. So now we have square root of 6 plus square root of 4 and therefore square root of 6 plus 2. And finally, for the last one, 11 equals 8 plus 3 and 24 equals 8 times 3. So now we have, which is 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3. Using these results, we have first 2 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 6 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 6 plus 2 minus 2 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3. So removing the parentheses, we have 2 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 6 minus square root of 2 plus square root of 6 plus 2 minus 2 times square root of 2 minus square root of 3. So this square root of 3 cancel out, square root of 6 cancel out, and this 2 plus 2 gives 4, and this minus square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2 gives minus 3 times square root of 2. And this is the answer. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in another video.